The management of FCS is a difficult management proposition. And the reason for this is that people with true FCS do not respond very well to traditional triglyceride-lowering medications. The treatment of choice is essentially severe fat restriction, which is not easy for most people to do. And so a team approach to this is key. That means not only the healthcare practitioner, the physician, the nurse practitioner, often a pharmacist has to be involved, but probably key to this whole group is a good registered dietitian. Because getting people to eat extremely low-fat meals and low-fat diets is not an easy one, and many people have to self-prepare most of their meals at home. And understanding how to cook and how to prepare and how to eat meals outside of the home that have low-fat content is one that can be very tricky. And oftentimes people will go out and they'll ask for something to be prepared, not in fat, not in oil, not with butter, and you know as well as I do, behind the back in the restaurant, they're using that stuff anyway. And so many of these patients are actually limited to home-based preparation because of the concern of what will happen if they go out and eat the wrong food. So right now it really does require support from many individuals. And it's that team working together that helps us control these patients and manage them so that they don't end up in the hospital with pancreatitis.